model, 2011 Vauxhall Combo 2000 Cdti. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 25200. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3 Cdti EU4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Gearbox will need replacing greater than. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is below average. Rear load area is in below average condition but still usable. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call